In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek to create clean, professional, and job-ready resume in just a few minutes. First, open DeepSeek and type a prompt like create a resume for a video editor. Then, paste your work experience, skills, and education so the AI can structure everything clearly. DeepSeek will instantly generate a polished resume with strong action verbs, measurable achievements, and ATS-friendly formatting. You can also ask it to rewrite your summary, enhance your job descriptions, target specific job posts, or even create multiple resume versions for different industries. After that, just copy the finalized text into Google Docs, Word, or Canva to format it with a clean layout. And that's it.